Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the area safe and accessible. Park, disconnect the negative battery, and lower the window. Next, remove the inner door panel, unscrew the visible 3/4 fasteners, and use a plastic pry tool to release the trim tabs so you don't crack clips. Once done, peel back the vapor barrier minimally to expose the mirror mounting bolts and the electrical plug. This gives you direct access to the parts you'll remove and prevents water damage when reinstalling. You now disconnect the mirror. First, unplug the electrical connector and mark its position with tape so reassembly is foolproof. Then support the mirror with one hand and remove the 3 mounting nuts or bolts using a 10 mm socket to prevent the mirror from falling. Once free, take the mirror off and inspect the base, swivel gearbox, wiring harness, and plastic clips for cracks or stripped threads. This diagnosis tells you whether to replace the whole assembly or you reinstall by aligning the mirror and hand-threading the mounting bolts to avoid cross-threading, then tighten to the manufacturer torque spec. This secures fit and prevents vibration. Reconnect the electrical plug, reseal the vapor barrier, and refit the door panel. Reconnect the battery and test adjust, heating, and folding functions. If the mirror is loose or fails, check the ground connection, inspect connector pins for corrosion, and verify bolt torque, repeating tightening or replacing worn clips.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.